Check out this Hyundai 2017 Elantra SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Option Group O2, SE Automatic Transmission, Popular Equipment Package O2, Disc, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, radio, AM/FM Sirius XM CD MP3 audio system, radio, AM/FM Sirius XM MP3, disc, steering wheel audio controls and air conditioning. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.